Hello friends, and welcome to the beautiful desert. In today's video, we're literally going to be shifting gears and taking a short road trip, just about an hour and a half north up to the middle of the state. Surviving Arizona in the summertime means getting out of town. So up north, temperatures can range from 10, 15 to even 20 degrees cooler, depending on how far north you travel. So let me take you on a trip up north and back, where you won't even have to move away from YouTube. We'll start our road trip here in the low desert, where you'll see lots of saguaro cactus and small shrubs. Each time we gain elevation, you'll notice how much the landscape changes. So I'm excited to take you along on a road trip and we can see what the middle of the state in Arizona has to offer. So let's hit the road. For a nice hike, and there's some really cool rocks, these huge boulders, beautiful pines. Really interesting perspective and juxtaposition of cactus and pine trees. So we're doing the full Arizona experience here up north. Got my cowboy hat on. And actually I'm at Mortimer Farms for the Friday night barn dance. So pretty fun. Let's go check it out. Here we are, back down the hill and into the valley. It's important to note any time that I'm away, whether it be a short trip or a long trip, I always take down those hummingbird feeders to ensure that they're not going to be drinking from dirty feeders that can make them sick. It's a sad chore, but it needs to happen. It breaks my heart when they come back searching for those feeders. Where did it go? Where did it go? But they do just fine finding other sources of food from the flowering bushes, not only in my garden, but the other neighborhood gardens as well. It's a joyous occasion when I put my feeders back, and it takes them a while to find the feeders, but they always return. I hope you enjoyed our little desert road trip up north to showcase some of the beauty and bling that the desert up north has to bring. So please like and subscribe, and as always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for